Ever stared at a project board, a to-do list stretching into infinity, and felt a tiny, panicked voice whisper, "Is there? Is there a better way?" We've all been there, right? That sense of overwhelm, the feeling that productivity is a mythical beast, forever out of reach. You've probably heard of Asana, the project management tool that promises to tame that beast. But have you ever stopped to wonder, Asana? What does that word even mean? Is it a made-up tech term? A secret code? A nod to some obscure ancient civilization? We're not just talking about a name here. We're talking about a philosophy, a concept that's deeply rooted in something far older than any digital platform. And understanding that root, that origin, can actually give you a deeper insight into how Asana works and why it's designed the way it is. Let's rewind a bit. Before we dive into the world of digital task management, let's talk about something that's been around for millennia, yoga. You know, the stretching, the breathing, the poses. Those poses, those physical postures are called asanas. Now, you might be thinking, yoga? What does yoga have to do with project management? Bear with me. There's a fascinating connection. The word asana comes from Sanskrit, the ancient language of India. It literally translates to seat or posture. But it's not just about sitting or standing. It's about finding a stable, comfortable, and sustainable position for meditation and physical practice. Think about it. In yoga, an asana isn't just a random stretch. It's a carefully constructed position that requires focus, balance, and intention. It's about creating a space within your body where you can be present, where you can work with your breath, and where you can cultivate a sense of inner peace. And that, my friends, is the key. Asana, the project management tool, borrows this fundamental concept. It's about creating a stable, comfortable, and sustainable posture for your work. It's about finding a place where your tasks, your projects, your team can all exist in a state of organized harmony. So, how does this translate to digital project management? Well, Asana aims to provide that stable seat for your work. It's designed to be a central hub, a place where all your tasks, conversations, and files are organized and accessible. Just like a yoga asana provides a stable foundation for physical practice, Asana provides a stable foundation for your work. It's not just about creating a list of tasks. It's about structuring your workflow, defining clear roles and responsibilities, and fostering collaboration. It's about creating a space where your team can work together efficiently and effectively, without feeling overwhelmed or scattered. Think about the feeling you get when you're in a well-executed yoga pose. You feel grounded, centered, and focused. Asana aims to replicate that feeling in the context of your work. It's about creating a sense of clarity and control so you can focus on what matters most. Imagine a project where everyone knows their roles, deadlines are clear, and communication is seamless. That's the Asana of project management. That's the stable, comfortable, and sustainable position where your work can thrive. In practical terms, this means Asana's features are designed to promote clarity and organization. Think about the task lists, the project boards, the calendars, the reporting tools. They're all designed to help you create that stable posture for your work. Task lists. Just like a sequence of yoga poses, task lists break down complex projects into manageable steps. Project boards. These provide a visual representation of your workflow, allowing you to see the big picture and track progress at a glance. It's like seeing the entire flow of a yoga sequence in front of you. Calendars. They help you visualize deadlines and schedules, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This is like having a clear understanding of the timing and flow of a yoga session. Reporting tools. These provide insights into your team's performance, allowing you to identify bottlenecks and optimize your workflow. This is like receiving feedback on your yoga practice, helping you to improve your form and technique. But it's not just about the features. It's also about the underlying philosophy. Asana encourages a mindful approach to work. It's about being present, focused, and intentional. It's about creating a culture of clarity and transparency, where everyone feels empowered to contribute their best work. It's about fostering collaboration and communication, so your team can work together seamlessly. And this is where the deeper meaning of Asana comes into play. It's not just about productivity. It's about well-being. It's about creating a work environment that is sustainable and fulfilling. Just like a well-executed yoga asana can improve your physical and mental health, a well-managed project can improve your team's morale and productivity. It can reduce stress, improve communication, and foster a sense of shared purpose. When you're working in a chaotic and disorganized environment, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. But when you have a clear and organized workflow, you can focus on what matters most, and you can enjoy your work more. Asana, the tool, is designed to facilitate that. It's designed to bring that stability, that peace of mind, that sense of grounding to your work. And that's why it's more than just a task management tool. It's a philosophy, a way of working. Now, some might argue that this is just marketing spin, that it's just a clever way to sell a product. But I believe there's something deeper going on here. The founders of Asana, Dustin Moskovitz and Justin Rosenstein, were deeply influenced by mindfulness and meditation. They understood the importance of creating a stable and supportive environment for both physical and mental well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.